Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y70, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Sounds and Vibration. Then click on Vibration, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Now you need to scroll down and click on Phone Ringtone. Over here, click on Vibration and select one of those vibration patterns by tapping on the best one for you, like, for example, Swing, or disable them completely by choosing None. You can do that to Scene 1 or Scene 2. But you can also go back and do exactly the same, so sorry, that was too far, for your messages and notifications. Lastly, click on More Settings over here, and over here you can click on this switcher next to vibratory ringing to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also enable or disable touch vibrations by clicking on this switcher next to System Haptics. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!